Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday. I just finished filming Sunday's video, which I might have to film it again. I haven't reviewed the footage yet, but I have a feeling I may not like the footage. So I might be filming that again, but for now, I have filmed Sunday's video. But I decided to do a little vlog because tomorrow, I am actually leaving to go to South Carolina to go see family because it's my niece's birthday. Her birthday was a few days ago, but she is 5. I've only been able to make it to one of her birthdays and I just really want to go see her for her birthday, so I have her birthday gift and everything ready. I will show you guys that in a little bit, but for now I have to do some YouTube work because I'm leaving at like 8 in the morning tomorrow to go on a 9-10 hour drive. It's gonna be glorious. But yeah, ooh, the red light is spooky. But I have to make a very long drive tomorrow, so I need to get Friday's video done, which will probably be this vlog, and Sunday's video ready because I'll be driving up on Friday, driving back on Sunday, so it's going to be a very long weekend. I'm going to be very tired, so I need to get this work done. I wanted to check in and start this vlog at least, so let's get into this. Let me start editing. Okay, got Sunday's video done and edited. I'm gonna show you guys my niece's present real quick. Got it in this birthday bag. I have to go find my tissue, like present paper to put in here. I feel like I want tea as well. I might make some tea here in a second. Tissue paper, all of my tissue paper. So Uncle Michael and Aunt Christina, we picked these out together, but the first thing we got my niece was a little 5-minute Halloween stories because she's a spooky baby. They're actually having a Coraline themed birthday party for her, which my niece picked out, which I think is awesome, but she loves like Nightmare Before Christmas, she loves Jack Skellington, she loves Coraline, so we got her a little spooky story. She loves Disney, anything, honestly. And they go to Disney World a good bit, so we figured this would be good. And she loves it when people read nighttime stories to her, so this book is really cute. And then my sister said she needed a jacket, so we got her this cute little jacket. It is so like fall and cute, but I figured it just had this nice 90s vibe to it. It has like the Sherpa on the inside and it's corduroy and it's super cute. So these are the two things we got her. Didn't get her too much because my sister said that she has a lot of stuff and doesn't really need much. And it's just a big deal that I'm like driving up. So I have her card in here that me and Michael need to sign tonight. I need to fill that out, and let me just put the tissue paper in here. So I think I can do like green and pink because the dots on the bag. And that'll be cute. And we got everything at Target. And then her little card will just go right on top. Cute! I swear every vlog I film, it starts raining. It's just Florida weather for you, I guess. I do need to pack and I want to do my nails before I go. So I don't even know where my suitcase is. I haven't packed a suitcase or a bag since we moved. And I don't know, should I bring my Nightmare Before Christmas bag? I might bring it. I mean, they're having a spooky themed party, so might as well, right? I'm just going for a night, so I'm almost feeling like my carry-on is overkill. Maybe I will just take my book bag. Okay, I'm indecisive. Don't you just love when you feel indecisive? Maybe I'll do my nails right now, because I just can't decide what I want to do. So here's the nails I'm gonna do. They're from that company All Dashing that I worked with a little while ago. I love these nails. They just stick right on and they stay on for a really long time, and I've been waiting to use these because they're obviously like plaid and fall-like. So I figured for this special occasion of seeing my family for the first time in months and being able to actually celebrate my niece's birthday, why not be a little festive? Even if it is a short trip, I think it's totally worth being fancy. So let me open these. Let's get these on. What are these? What is the style of these called? Oh darn, I wish they put the name of the style on the box for you. But I will link their website down in the description. I really like them. They have tons of styles. I need to order some more because I, again, really like them. And I've reused the yellow ones. I reused those a few times. This video is not sponsored. I've already done the sponsored video, but these are so nice. They're like matte green, orange, and plaid, like a rusty orange color. I am very excited about these. Oh no, well, I was gonna show you that I popped them all out, but they're really nice. I like these a lot. Look at them. Ooh. They feel nice. Like they're like soft matte to the touch. It's really nice. I like these. I definitely like the rusty orange color. It's pretty. Feels like they're on there really nice now. Yay! The easiest manicure ever. So I'm only bringing 2 outfits. I'm gonna wear one outfit in the car tomorrow and that same outfit on the way back on Sunday. So I really just need an outfit for Saturday for the party. And since it's Coraline themed, I think I'm gonna go full emo kid. So now I'm bringing my new bat jacket. I'm hoping it will actually be cold enough in South Carolina to wear it. I haven't been able to wear this yet. I of course have my extra mask for that day. I'm wondering, should I go, I'm thinking I'll go full denim. These are some of my Good American like black denim jeans, and they're like distressed on the ends. I mean the 2 blacks are kind of different colors, but I mean maybe that would be okay. So there's that, and then I have my like black striped pants. I might wear these in the car though. Are you focusing on me at all, camera? Hello? I do want to be comfortable in the car, so maybe I'll wear these. That's the option. And then of course I gotta wear my Stay Spooky shirt, so that's definitely what I'm gonna wear. 2 pairs of undies, and then pajamas. And then just I just wear old PJ pants and one of Michael's shirts, and those are my pajamas, so pack that, and then that's really it. I need to go pack my makeup and like my toiletries, but I'll probably do those in the morning after I get ready. So that might be it. That was easy. So I think I will switch out my purse to this little Nightmare Before Christmas one. It's like a little, like just a little clutch. This is my typical bag that I carry. It's like a little yellow crossbody. Here are my keys that I attach to it. Those off first. So, I mean, the key is appropriate because I have a Nightmare Before Christmas character there. So, I like to attach my keys to my purse just because it's easy access. Let's see if it works on this bag. Okay, it's not as easy to hook onto this bag. Might work right here. Okay, there we go. So it hooks really nicely to like where the side strap is gonna go, so that's nice. I always have the hardest time finding my keys in my purse, anyone else, so I'm just gonna switch over, put my wallet in here. I have my extra hand sanitizer, because that's gonna be very important. Actually, I need to go grab some sanitizing wipes since I'm traveling. So I'm gonna bring some good and clean, these are disinfectant wipes. Put them in here just so I can wipe down stuff when I have to stop. I need to go get my other masks that I've washed and put them in my purse, and then I have an extra mask that I hang in my car as well. So I have all of the masks I need, my lip products that I need, my keys, my wallet, all of that is good. Okay, I think that's everything out of my other purse, and I'll carry my spooky purse for the spooky party. There are my keys, nice and little. I don't like carrying too much in my purses, but I got the wipes, my wallet, lip products. And that's really all I need in there. And then my extra mask. All right, well, I am for the most part packed and done with my work. I just need to finish editing this vlog and put it up for you. I know it's a shorter vlog, not as much happening. This is probably the most exciting thing I've done since we moved, to be honest. So wish me luck. Like I said, this drive tomorrow is gonna be about 9 hours, not including stops. I'm leaving really, really early. I don't plan on vlogging it just because, again, I haven't seen my family in a year, so kind of want to just enjoy everybody. We're all healthy. We've all been okay through this whole process. We're all, you know, everyone's back and working now, so I just want to kind of enjoy my family for a day, and then I'll be back on Sunday. So wish me luck to get through this weekend. It's going to be a lot of coffee, a lot of sitting in my car, but I got a new car to break in, so the car will be fully broken in at the end of this trip. So I'm very excited, and thank you guys so much for watching. Wish me luck, send me good vibes, and I hope you all have a good weekend. Bye!